Everyone says they want a different life. Better body, better money, better focus, better respect. But they still reply in 30 seconds. They still show up to every random plan. They still argue in comment sections. Yeah, that's not ambition. That's availability. Here's the truth. You don't need more motivation, you need distance. Distance from noise, distance from opinions, distance from people who benefit from you staying the same. This isn't about being antisocial, it's about being intentional. Today I'm giving you a simple protocol, not hype, not drama, a 6-month operating system. If you follow it properly, your life will look different. Not magically, but measurably. Let's get into it. Step 1. Cut visibility, not relationships. Most people hear ghost everyone and think delete all contacts. No, you reduce access. You stop explaining your plans. You stop posting progress. You stop announcing goals. You reply slower. You say, I'm busy, and actually mean it. Attention is currency. Right now, you're spending it everywhere. For 6 months, protect it. No daily updates, no emotional oversharing. Silence builds mystery. More importantly, it builds focus. Step 2. Replace social time with skill time. If you disappear but don't build anything, you just became lonely. That's not the goal. Pick one primary focus: coding, gym, business, public speaking. 1, not 5. Then follow what Cal Newport calls deep work. That's from the book Deep Work by Cal Newport. The rule is simple: 2 to 4 hours daily. No distractions. One hard thing. Phone in another room. Notifications off. Track hours, not mood. You won't feel motivated every day. Irrelevant. Show up anyway. Step 3. Upgrade your environment. You are not that strong. Stop pretending. If junk food is in your room, you'll eat it. If your phone is next to you, you'll scroll it. If lazy friends are around daily, you'll think small. For 6 months, clean desk, clean room. Gym membership active. Learning material visible. Make the right choice easier than the wrong one. This is basic behavioral design, not willpower, design. Step 4. Reduce dopamine spikes. Here's what nobody tells you. You can't build a hard life while consuming easy pleasure. Constant reels, porn, random gossip, gaming all night. Your brain gets trained to expect stimulation. Deep work starts feeling boring, and boring is where growth lives. Lower stimulation, shorter scrolling windows, scheduled entertainment. Earn it. Don't default to it. Step 5. Weekly audit. Every Sunday. No excuses. Ask yourself, what did I build this week? Where did I waste time? What needs adjustment? Write it down. If it's not written, it's not real. Most people drift because they never measure. You won't drift, you'll track. Now let's talk consequences. If you don't do this, you'll still be almost there next year. Still talking about plans, still explaining potential, still available. And average people love company. They'll keep you comfortable. Comfort kills ambition quietly. But if you follow this for 6 months, here's what realistically happens. You build 500 to 700 hours of focused work. That compounds. Your body improves. Your skill sharpens. Your confidence rises, not from hype, but from proof. People will notice, not because you posted, because your energy changes. And when you reappear, you won't need to explain. Results speak cleaner than captions. Important. This is not forever. This is a season. You're not abandoning people. You're building yourself. There's a difference.